Hi everyone, we are going to introduce Geo Genius version 5.0. okay, and this is the new interface for journal settings here. Okay, so here we have the first drop down for the process. Okay, the create new Gsite, update create Gsite, and repair broken sites. Okay, so now we have three major process for Geo Genius. Okay, the first one is for create new Google site, okay, that we have already in the Geo Genius, and the addition is update created Gsite. Okay, you can update the already created Gsite. Okay, so by selecting the update created Gsite, you can see a text area for Gsite URL. Okay, so here you have just to put the Google site URL, okay, that you want to update. And the third process is repair broken sites. Okay, so you can repair the broken sites that has been not completed by the Geo Genius. Okay, so this will be provide you all the campaigns that has been saved in the folder. Okay, so you can now repair the broken sites. So in the first process, create new Google site, you have a checkbox for use already scraped data. Okay, if you check that, then the software will use the already scraped data from the scraper folder. Okay, if you uncheck that, then it will ask for the settings that you want to scrape, the point of interest or not. Okay, driving directions and scrape place IDs, and number of things to do scrape. So this is for the scraping settings. Okay, if you uncheck that, then it will use data from the scraper folder. And here is the number of things you want to post on a new Google site, and from here you have to select the campaign. Same as in update created Google site, you have to provide the URL, check or uncheck this already scraped data, and select the number of things to do post, and select the campaign. Okay, so these are three new processes in the journal settings, and we have just separated the campaign system. Okay, so now the campaign system is in other tab. You can see the campaigns here. Okay, so here you can put the campaign name, okay, so that you want to save in the database. Here you have to put your GMB name, and here after that you have to select the theme template selections. Okay, so you can select any one from this drop down. Okay, so after that you can see here we have adds via CSV file or add via input data here. Okay, if you just check that, then you can see here is upload via CSV file. If you uncheck that, you can enter data in this model. Okay, so you can put by yourself. So these are two things to add, and after that so after putting these things, you have to hit the save campaign button. Okay, this is here a green button below this enter input data here. So you just have to hit the save campaign button. Your campaign will be saved in the database. Okay, so here we have saved our campaign in database, and from here you can manage you can delete any campaign, or you can view all the campaigns saved in the database. So these are two new screens in Geo Genius, and the utility and other screens are remain same. Thanks.